A to Z of Artificial Intelligence. A documentary by Dr. Atikur Rahman. It is a research work done for understanding and benefits of students, businessmen, government officials who are keen to learn. For contact, email at atakshake2000@gmail.com. Artificial intelligence is changing the world very fast. Changing face, your hairstyle, putting a smile on your face, is only a one-click away. Every day there is new app in the market. Script, video, audio, editing, is only available on single command. AI can understand what I'm saying in English and automatically generate subtitles for video and even translate in any other language. AI is not at the center of human activity. AI is very fast replacing human expertise like graphic designing, script writing, music composition, dialogue delivery, video editing. It is serving humanity in many ways. In the past, those who did not learn computer were left behind. Now those who will not learn AI will be left behind. AI will become a new standard to be employed on job. AI is yet at an early stage, and it is easy to learn. Youth must not miss the opportunity to learn and earn from this lifetime opportunity. Learning artificial intelligence can bring revolution in society. Pakistan has 62% literacy rate. 64% of the total population of Pakistan is below the age of 30. 96% youth is literate in urban areas. However, the ratio of literate female in tribal and Balochistan areas is very low. According to World Economic Forum, by 2025, 85 million jobs will be wiped out due to AI all over the world. But the same report states that with the help of AI, 97 million new jobs will be created in this time frame. That is why it is often said that AI is not a job killer but a job category killer. In all the new jobs that will be created, artificial intelligence skills will be important. The question here is that if this technology is so amazing, then why are influential people like Elon Musk saying that we should slow down the development of AI? Musk and hundreds of influential names, including Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak, are calling for a pause in experiments, saying AI poses a dramatic risk to society unless there is proper oversight. I think we need to regulate AI safety, quite frankly, because it is, I think, actually a bigger risk. Answers are generated, they seem like a human is answering it. A person who knows everything about everything. Whether you ask it a factual question or a grammar-related question or ask it to write a formal letter. You get to see amazing accuracy here. This technology was so revolutionary that big companies saw it and in desperation launched their own AI chatbots. In response to the ChatGPT, Google launched its Google Bard. Microsoft launched its Bing AI, even though OpenAI and Microsoft are in a partnership. Snapchat launched its MyAI. Apart from this, many companies, whether it's Quora, Duolingo. ChatGPT is fastest growing artificial intelligence platform. It took Netflix 3.5 years to reach 1 million users. Twitter took 2 years. Facebook took 10 months. Instagram took 2.5 months. And ChatGPT reached this milestone in just 5 days. It is quickest way to create stories. Due to artificial intelligence, our lives are going to change in every way. The way of studying in education institutions, health facilities, political systems, military warfare. The danger of AI is much greater than even our imagination. Actually, it is difficult to even visualize the extent of this threat. With AI all around, how education will impact students. Cognitive system will grow in a strange way. It will be more of a robotic behavior of humans than sanity. It is hard to believe that artificial intelligence guiding and leading in every sphere of life, where human intelligence will be used. Whether human will be left with any intelligence or not. Understanding AI and its subsets. Artificial intelligence is main branch. Machine learning and deep learning a subset of artificial intelligence. AI is bring revolutionary changes. Research and work on AI started in 1950 until 1980. This work has reached up to machine learning. However, with deep learning, artificial intelligence further advanced. Here's more on machine learning. Machine learning enables computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. It involves training algorithms on datasets to identify patterns and make predictions or decisions. There are three primary types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforced learning. Supervised learning involves training models on labeled data to make predictions. Unsupervised learning involves discovering patterns in unlabeled data. Reinforced learning involves training models through trial and error to achieve a specific goal. Machine learning algorithm is really good at looking at patterns and discovering patterns within data. The more training data you can give it, the more confident it can be in predicting. So predictions are one of capabilities of ML. Deep learning is a type of machine learning that involves the use of artificial neural networks to analyze and interpret data. It is a subset of machine learning and is inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. Deep learning algorithms are capable of automatically learning complex patterns in data, without being explicitly programmed. This is achieved through the use of multiple layers of neural networks, which are trained on large datasets to perform tasks such as image classification, speech recognition, and natural language processing. Generative artificial intelligence, GenAI, have brought revolutionary development in artificial intelligence. The term generative AI refers to a subfield of artificial intelligence that focuses on using AI to generate and analyze stories, narratives, and other forms of creative content. Narrative AI can be used to create engaging stories, dialogues, and characters for various applications such as films, videos, games, and even interactive stories. This technology relies on natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning algorithms to understand and generate human-like narratives. Narrative AI has numerous applications, including entertainment, education, and marketing, where it can be used to create immersive experiences and convey messages in an engaging and memorable way. In large learning models, machines predict the next sentence, next paragraph, the next entire document. Here's more on large learning models. Large learning models are AI systems that can process and analyze large amounts of data to produce accurate and informative responses. These models are designed to learn from vast amounts of text data and improve their performance over time. Large learning models are trained on massive datasets and can provide insights and answers to complex questions, making them an increasingly important tool in various industries and applications. Deepfake refers to a type of image or video forgery technique that uses artificial intelligence, AI, to superimpose one person's face onto another person's body or create a completely fictional character. This is achieved by training a neural network on a large dataset of images and then using those patterns to manipulate images. Deepfakes can be used to create realistic fake videos, convincing enough to be mistaken for real events. Due to its potential misuse, deepfake technology is being closely monitored by experts to prevent the spread of misinformation and manipulated content.
Artificial intelligence has thus far made three significant achievements. It can understand the natural language processing with greater accuracy than ever before. It can interpret large datasets very quickly and accurately. That means it can summarize books, theses and develop study papers at minimum effort and in quick time. Most importantly, it can identify patterns which are not visible to human with naked eye. That means it can help in detecting money laundering, crimes, students' abilities, education success model, business models, and other hidden patterns in sports, society, human behavior. At the moment, top 50 artificial companies having a total market cap to $14.74 trillion. The first 13 companies out of first 15 are American companies out of total volume of business of almost $15 trillion. US holds $10 trillion in the market. Apple, Google, Meta, Microsoft and Nvidia are the biggest shareholders in AI market. Tesla, Abode, K Plantier, Dynatrace, Aurora, SentinelOne, Tempus AI, UiPath, Upstart, Prestige AI, and IBM are following the 5 top AI companies very fast. Apple is a technology company that primarily specializes in consumer electronics, software, and services. While they have been at the forefront of artificial intelligence, AI, research and development, they are not typically considered the biggest AI company. Apple has, however, integrated AI into various products and services, such as Siri, Face ID, and machine learning-powered features, to enhance user experience. Apple has invested a lot on human cognition system with respect to recognition of words and pictures and their effects on human mind. Big tech is swallowing up AI companies. Google, Microsoft, Facebook, and Nvidia have made significant investments and advancements in AI research and technology. Meta, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Nvidia, and Apple have closed acquisitions of 88 AI and machine learning companies over the past 2 decades. According to PitchBook data, Microsoft purchased Nuance Communications in 2022 for a record $19 billion. The highest price tag for any of the tech firm's AI deals. Nuance's AI tools are used in Microsoft's cloud products for healthcare. It recognizes and transcribes speech during doctors' visits, calls, and voicemails. Future will be surrounded by artificial intelligence. Global leading companies are fully focused on development of artificial intelligence. There is a cutthroat competition. The reign of artificial intelligence industry is so far, with USA. There is less visibility of other players in AI market. Chip war and transistor industry will decide the future of AI. World must prepare for a revolutionary change in all field of human life. Banking, education, health and entertainment systems will transform more than other fields.
In the next 5 to 10 years we will see how quickly we can adapt, and companies that fail to adapt, no matter how big, are going to disappear. Noriko Ronka, Chief Digital Officer, Cosmo Energy Holdings. Due to its flexibility and range, and user-friendly, natural language-based interface, generative AI is showing its mettle everywhere from copywriting to coding. Its power and potential to revolutionize how work is done across industries and business functions suggests it will have a reverberating impact like that of the personal computer, the internet, or the smartphone, launching entirely new business models, birthing new industry leaders, and making it impossible to remember how we worked before it spread. This sudden focus on generative AI's power and potential represents a marked shift in how enterprise thinks about AI. Until recently, AI adoption was uneven across industries and between functions within companies. But now generative AI is changing the conversation. Demonstrating applications in every business function, AI is poised to spread enterprise-wide. LLMs now have the capability to achieve the necessary accuracy, and at a faster pace. It can generate text, image, video, music and audio. Models like OpenAI's GPT can produce coherent and contextually relevant text, making them useful for applications like chatbots, content creation, and automated writing. Tools like DALL-E or Midjourney can create images from textual descriptions, enabling users to generate artwork or design concepts easily. Artificial intelligence algorithms can compose original music or generate realistic voice audio, enhancing fields like entertainment and media production. Every industry and business will find its own custom applications of generative AI technology. Generative AI is helping in a big way in consumer good and retail. Manufacturing, media and entertainment, financial services. Revolutionary opportunities of generative artificial intelligence have become clear to enterprises. The impact of generative AI on economies and enterprise will be revolutionary. McKinsey Global Institute estimates that generative AI will add between $2.6 trillion and $4.4 trillion in annual value to the global economy, increasing the economic impact of AI as a whole by 15 to 40%. Goldman Sachs predicts a 7%, or nearly $7 trillion, increase in global GDP attributable to generative AI. Before generative AI, few organizations aimed to make AI a critical capability across key functions by 2025. Now, generative AI is being adopted very fast. Marketing and advertising, finance, IT and supply chain are already ahead in making AI part of their business. Leading business has took it as critical point to adopt AI. Generative AI impact on global GDP by 2030. Generative AI will add almost $16 trillion to global economy by the year 2030. 1 out of 8 women will suffer breast cancer in her lifetime in US. In 2024, more than 300,000 cases have been diagnosed with breast cancer. Breast cancer is the most common cancer in women in 157 countries out of 185. Artificial intelligence shows real potential for helping radiologists detect cancerous tissue more quickly and accurately and predict individual breast cancer risk. To train AI to read mammograms, technicians input information from hundreds of thousands to millions of mammograms. The AI software creates a mathematical representation of what a normal mammogram looks like and what a mammogram with cancer looks like. The AI system checks each image against the standards to distinguish what's normal from what's not. AI is also being used to study published in The Lancet Oncology describes how researchers used AI to help screen mammograms of more than 80,000 women in Sweden. Half of these women had their mammogram read by AI before it was looked at by a radiologist, while the other half had theirs read by 2 radiologists. The study revealed that the AI group had 20% more cancers detected than the radiologist-only group. Another study in Germany and the US brought out that used AI to look at nearly 1.2 million mammograms found that having a radiologist and AI system working together was 2.6% better at detecting breast cancer than a radiologist alone. The results were published in The Lancet Digital Health. By using AI, breast cancer mortality could be reduced by 2.5% per year, thereby averting 2.5 million breast cancer deaths globally between 2020 and 2040. Thanks to AI, early detection and timely diagnosis are biggest reason of this miraculous achievement. AI is fast occupying space in all fields. A study reveals that 80% of companies are leveraging generative AI. 90% of IT experts say they need a clear view of AI use in their organizations. 14% say they actually have the overview of AI that they need. However, AI will affect society in many bad ways. So we need to be ready for that. Elon Musk wrote in a comment on Edge.org, "The pace of progress in artificial intelligence is incredibly fast. Unless you have direct exposure to groups like DeepMind, you have no idea how fast it is growing at a pace close to exponential. The risk of something seriously dangerous happening is in the 5-year time frame. 10 years at most." AI has the potential to revolutionize work, bridge the gap between data to insights, and create new business models. To get maximum results, it requires a clear strategy and roadmap. Technical capabilities, which include core technologies and infrastructure, the data that underpin them, and trained manpower. Governing practices and structures, which include operational changes that enable teams to focus on high-value initiatives and responsibly harness AI. Organizational and cultural characteristics. Each decision must be tailored to your organization's unique context, as there's no one-size-which-fits-all approaches. Creating a detailed roadmap is a critical first step. This roadmap outlines the steps needed to achieve AI goals, including setting timelines, allocating resources, and defining key milestones. A well-constructed roadmap prioritizes early successes to demonstrate value and gain stakeholder buy-in, ensuring that the AI strategy is aligned with the organization's broader business objectives. A roadmap helps in identifying short-term and long-term goals, setting realistic deadlines, and defining the resources needed for each phase of implementation. It serves as a guiding document that keeps the project on track and ensures that all team members are aligned with the strategic objectives. Regularly updating the roadmap based on progress and any new insights or challenges encountered is essential for maintaining momentum and achieving the desired outcomes. Defining clear objectives. Clear and measurable objectives are essential for the success of an AI strategy. Organizations should identify specific business problems that AI can address and set achievable goals. Objectives should be aligned with the overall business strategy and focused on areas where AI can provide the most significant impact. Defining the objectives of an AI initiative will involve identifying business needs. Determine the specific business problems or opportunities that AI can address. Establish clear, measurable goals that define what success looks like for AI initiatives. Aligning with business strategy. Ensure that AI objectives support the broader business strategy and contribute to long-term goals. Prioritize AI projects based on their potential impact and feasibility. Identifying opportunities for AI involves analyzing business processes to determine where AI can have the most significant impact. This may include automating routine tasks, enhancing customer interactions, or improving decision-making processes. Conduct a thorough analysis of existing business processes to identify inefficiencies and areas for improvement. Benchmarking. Look at industry standards and competitor strategies to identify potential AI applications. Stakeholder engagement. Engage with stakeholders across the organization to gather insights and identify pain points that AI can address. Feasibility studies. Conduct feasibility studies to evaluate the practicality and potential return on investment of AI initiatives. Three core technical capabilities are AI-powered digital products that start with clearly defined outcomes in mind. Products are viewed as living systems, so teams ensure products are, and remain, technically feasible, financially viable, desirable for customers and have great usability. A scalable AI platform for developing new AI models, products and use cases and solving emerging challenges throughout the business. A robust data foundation with the essential capabilities for preparing data for AI use cases, and pipelines for the continuous delivery and ingestion of AI-ready data. Talent acquisition and development. AI initiatives require a skilled workforce with expertise in data science, machine learning, and AI ethics. Developing and attracting top talent is essential for the success of an AI strategy. Organizations should offer competitive salaries and benefits to attract top talent, and provide opportunities for continuous learning and development in AI and related fields. Upskilling existing employees through training programs, workshops, and seminars helps keep the workforce updated on the latest AI trends and practices. Fostering a culture of learning and innovation is crucial, with initiatives such as innovation labs where employees can experiment with AI technologies and develop new solutions. Data management. Organizations need to ensure data quality, accessibility, and security to support AI initiatives. This involves regular cleaning of data to remove errors and inconsistencies, integrating data from various sources to create a unified dataset, and ensuring robust data governance frameworks are in place. Data accessibility is enhanced through a well-developed data infrastructure that allows easy access to data for AI development, while data security is maintained through encryption and strict access controls to protect sensitive information from unauthorized access. Choosing the right technology and infrastructure includes selecting appropriate AI platforms that offer robust capabilities for developing, deploying, and managing AI models. Organizations should consider hybrid multi-cloud environments to enhance scalability and flexibility, ensuring the platform can scale to meet the growing demands of AI applications. High-performance computing resources are essential for handling complex AI computations, and efficient storage solutions are necessary for managing large volumes of data. AI governance is the foundational layer driving all other aspects. It involves setting policies, frameworks, and regulations to guide the ethical and responsible use of AI. This governance structure promotes fairness by ensuring AI systems are designed and used in ways that do not discriminate and are transparent, enabling stakeholders to understand how decisions are made. Accountability mechanisms are implemented to hold individuals and teams responsible for the outcomes of AI adoption, ensuring that the deployment of AI is monitored and that any adverse effects are swiftly addressed. A to Z of Artificial Intelligence, a documentary by Dr. Atikur Rahman. It is a research work done for understanding and benefits of students, businessmen, government officials who are keen to learn. For contact, email at atakshake2000@gmail.com.